Hey there, fabulous viewers! Welcome to our channel's latest installment. Today, we're embarking on an enlightening journey towards nurturing a resilient mindset in the midst of life's whirlwind. Acknowledging the profound interconnection between mind and body, we set out to navigate the intricate dance of personal well-being amidst external influences. Join me as we uncover the secrets of holistic living, exploring several pivotal topics brimming with transformative lifestyle adjustments, proven strategies, and coping mechanisms that empower you to lead a life of equilibrium and vitality. Let's kick things off with building resilience through mindful habits. Let's continue on to our discussion points.
Our journey continues with the foundation of holistic health: nutrition, exercise, and sleep. These pillars are intertwined, fueling your body and mind for optimal performance. Dive into a world of nourishing foods, invigorating workouts, and restorative sleep practices. Topic: holistic health, nutrition, exercise, and sleep. Let us begin now by diving into our 5 points of discussion. 1. Transforming lives through mindful eating. Amid modern chaos, an unnoticed act transforms. Revolutionize food relationship. Mindfulness. Imagine mindful meals, a sanctuary of gratitude. Mindful eating. Savoring flavors, shift in view. Shift. Mindless to conscious appreciation. Empowered by mindful eating. Shed guilt. Cultivate self-compassion. Mindful nourishment. Mindfulness reclaims choices nurtured. Well-being nurtured. Journey of presence transforms nourishment. Bite celebrates balance, gratitude, and well-being. Celebrate mindful eating's positive change.
2. Empowerment through boundaries. Crafting your life. In life's dance, chaos pulls every which way. Enter the art of setting boundaries. Imagine curating life, boundaries as canvas masterpieces. Boundaries guide amidst relationship labyrinth, resonate with essence. No, affirms worth, shields emotional sanctuary. Boundaries liberate from draining ties, cocoon authenticity. Like an artist's hues, boundaries compose life's rhythm. Setting boundaries balances giving and safeguarding. Emotional resilience blooms, relationships root in understanding. Unravel boundary threads, weave well-being fabric. Celebrate, yes, to self, no, to draining forces. Champion nurturing emotional sanctuaries, a revolution. Harmonize with needs, craft resonating life. Embrace boundary art, empower and shine. Flourish through boundaries. Prioritize self-care. Empower, set boundaries, soar unapologetically.
3. Empathy unveiled. The golden thread of connection. Human connections woven, empathy's thread shines. Conversations as emotions, not just words. Welcome to empathy's realm, nurturing deep connections. Empathy transcends, feel journeys in your core. Mirror of empathy reflects nuances, fosters understanding. Empathy bridges, transcends divisions, unites cultures. Integrate empathy, resonate emotionally. Empathy resolves conflict, provides support. Build bridges with differing perspectives through empathy. Practicing empathy transforms relationships, communities. Explore empathy's power, celebrate unity. Empathy fosters compassion, unity. Transformative potential. Empower empathy within, share its gift. Embrace empathy, make a difference through connection.
4. Digital detox. Unplugging to recharge and reconnect. In a screen-dominated world, digital detox beckons. Imagine moments cherished, free from screens. Embrace detox, restore well-being, reclaim time. Digital world brings convenience, information overload. Detox. Step back from digital noise. Mind craves simplicity, like a garden's rest. Disconnect for introspection, authentic connections. Recalibrate, rediscover. Not rejecting, but renewing. Join Detox Journey, Analog Immersion. Celebrate detox's power. Recharge, reconnect. Detox revives spirit, life beyond screens. Embrace detox, rediscover life's essence.
5. The secret to a fulfilling life. Balancing work and passion. Fast-paced world, elusive work-life balance. Secret to fulfillment. Harmonizing passions. Life where pursuits blend, symphony of contentment. Embrace passions, unlock transformative balance. Passions elevate both personal, professional lives. Passions. Guiding stars, purpose, energy. More than escape, wellspring of creativity. Passion's time spills into roles, vigor. Passion blurs stress, brings rejuvenation. Passions create synergy, unleash extraordinary. Integrate passions, enhance well-being, growth. Celebrate secret. Balanced, fulfilling life. Embrace secret, weave purpose and equilibrium.
Thank you for joining us today. It's not always easy, but every step you take towards prioritizing your well-being is a step in the right direction. From building resilience fostering connections, managing stress, embracing holistic health, and conquering adversity. This video is your source of inspiration for a positively altering life. Take a moment to breathe deeply, connect with nature, or simply be present in the moment. Thank you for being a part of this important conversation. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our empowering content. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments section below. See you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore ways to nurture our mental well-being and support each other on this journey. See you in our next video.